Alright, we fully replaced your engine. It's running very smoothly and it looks great. Your total cost has come out to $4,000.33. Oh, well, thank you for repairing my engine. It's gonna cost me a fortune, so I actually had a question. Do you think I could pay with a different kind of currency? What do you mean? We're just asking for you got the engine repaired. We need a payment. This is gonna cost me an arm and a leg. That joke sucks, and you owe us $4,000. Well, thought I'd give it a shot. Subscribe today for more dumb shit. How else can I describe this? Honestly, I mean, oh, right?